We'll guide you through how to save pictures in Picsart. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open the Picsart app on your device, then tap on the Edit Photo option to begin your editing process. Choose your image to edit from your gallery, and once it loads, make your edits if needed by using the available tools. Adjust brightness and colors to improve the overall look of your picture, then add effects if desired to enhance style and mood. Insert stickers or text to personalize your design, and review your final design carefully to ensure everything looks correct. Tap the export icon to proceed, then select the download option to save your image. Choose your preferred image quality, and wait for the saving process to complete properly. Allow storage permission if asked so the app can save your file. Check if a watermark appears on the preview, and wait until the ad finishes completely. Confirm save again if needed to finalize the process. Go to your phone gallery and open the Picsart folder to locate your saved image. Check your saved image carefully and verify the image quality to ensure it meets your expectations. Resave the file if the quality is low or not satisfactory. Avoid using gold features since they require payment, and use only free tools and effects available in the app. Turn on your internet connection to enable the add option when removing watermarks. Clear the app cache if saving fails to fix minor issues, and update Picsart if needed to ensure smooth performance. Repeat the process for other images you want to edit and save using the same steps. Your picture is saved successfully and ready to be shared on social media platforms or stored for personal use. Make sure you double-check every detail before sharing so your final result looks clean and professional. If any errors appear, simply return to the editor and adjust the necessary parts until you are satisfied with the outcome. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become faster and more efficient when editing images in Picsart. Always keep your app updated and maintain enough storage space on your device to avoid saving issues in the future.